how to attach a hole saw to an Erbauer cordless drill. Now, you might be looking and going, how does this attach to that? Well, you're missing a part, and that's this part here. If it doesn't come with this, you will need to buy one. You untighten the nuts, and you see this shape. It matches with this shape here. So you put it in, like a jigsaw, make sure this pops through, put the nut back on, tighten it up, and now we can insert into our drill, tighten it like we would with any other drill bit, one click, and then you want to give it a final twist, for them 3 twist, click, and then that's your hole saw attached to the Erbauer drill. Hopefully that helps you out how to attach a hole saw to your Erbauer drill. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.